What's good, traders? Welcome to another video. Well, today I want us to get to have a conversation about different stages that you get to experience before becoming profitable. These I'll be sharing from my own experience, and I'll be showing you, or I'll be having a conversation regarding how you can get to cut short the learning curve, and of course, you get closer to become profitable. Remember, I've done some research, also listening to other traders out there. Majority of them, they get to give testimony of them taking around 2 to 3 years for them to become profitable. But one thing is common among all these traders, and that thing is the fact that they didn't take that long to learn the technical analysis or to understand the charts. A lot of time they spend under trying to understand and figure out themselves. That is how their mindset operates, and of course, to be in a position whereby you can get to control yourself. So when it comes to trading, majority of people then neglect the part that trading is not just understanding the technical. It also involve us understanding yourself, and of course having the ability to take those hard decisions and control yourself, even if you're feeling that urge. So I want us to get to look into those stages, and of course, if you're profitable, you do agree with me, you have to go through these stages and of course overcome them. If you don't overcome them or you avoid them, trust you me, with trading there's no shortcut. You'll find yourself stuck or held back in one of these stages. And of course, number one is whereby you find yourself, you have that beginner's luck. This is something that gets to hold people, especially the beginners, back for a very, very long time, because you are new to trading, you're not conversant what exactly trading is all about. But one thing you know for sure is that people are making money from trading. You have been seeing with the lifestyle people are portraying out here, claiming that's the money from the charts. I am not saying it's a lie, but it's important that you get to understand what that lifestyle, that what information you're consuming from these successful traders, the damage that is causing, that is resulting in your mind. And this is the thing that people, they don't talk about. So when you get to see that somebody who's just purchased a new Lamborghini, and of course they came out saying this money from Forex, you come with a mindset that you want to make money overnight, and now you have that the mentality of getting rich quick, and of course you just want to make money. So at first you get into trading, you see something called beginner's luck. You place a few trades, they go to your direction, and now you have that illusion that you have now mastered the market, and now you're ready to go in and risk everything that you have. At this stage, majority of the people, they don't even understand what is risk management. They're just placing trades all over the place. They haven't collected enough statistical data to understand which pair, which commodity, or which even metal, which gets to favor them in terms of their personality, in terms of their mindset, which is a very important information. So I usually advocate it's important that you get to take at least 100 trades for you to come with some statistic data, and of course have something to analyze and understand yourself. So there's that beginner's luck. You get to try out something for the first time, it gets to work out for you. This is a period which doesn't go for long, because you're just about to find out how real things can be. And in this situation, for the beginners, they really, really struggle to break that mentality that they didn't know anything. They need now to start from fresh, and of course, now build from the ground up. So it's very important that you get to understand there's something called the beginner's luck. Also, another stage which is as real as trading is whereby you start getting those reality check. After the beginner's luck, you have that mindset that now you have mastered the market, but the market now starts proving you wrong. If it's losses, you take losses back to back, back to back, and at this point now, you even get to a point you now think that this is not been something for you. You now start doubting yourself, thinking that it was just a dream, or something that you're just it was just a show. Out of these, so many people they get to find this reality check very difficult for them, even to a point they now start purchasing, going that is buying courses, looking for mentors, or even now tarnishing the name of Forex now to a point whereby it's not really. It's very, very important that you get to understand there's usually that reality check stage. Another stage is whereby after you have purchased a few courses and of course enrolled under a few mentors, you now start hopping from one strategy to another. This is where so many people get to spend years struggling until to a point whereby they get tired of their own mess that is switching from one strategy to the other. At this stage, guys, you get to enroll under this mentor. They have a different strategy. They start feeding you information from their strategy. Behind the scene, you also have another mentor. So it gets to a point whereby you have so much information from different strategies and you don't have any strategy of your own. With all this information, you find today you get to trade this strategy from this mentor. Tomorrow you find yourself trading another strategy from another mentor. All this is just bringing confusion. While it could be easy if you just stick with one mentor, with one strategy, continuously collect data from these trades, this strategy, and this way you'll know the strong areas of this strategy as well as areas that the strategy also has its faults. Remember, there's no any strategy which is 100%. So you just need to find a strategy which has a good, at least a 50 winning rate, and you're good to go. From there, you just execute this trade consistently, and by the end of the day, that's the only way you become profitable. So there's that stage whereby you find yourself hopping from one strategy to the other, which is a very, very dangerous stage. So I would suggest, guys, when you're in this stage, you need to understand, and you need also to put yourself under control as quickly as possible, because it's just going to bring confusion into your trading. So another stage is whereby after a few beginners lack profits, now it comes to that stage of painful losing streaks. These where people they get to quit, people they get to now enroll for new membership after trading for a while. Now they start looking for that shiny object, and by a shiny object I mean that shiny the strategy which is working out. You start now learning a new strategy from scratch. This gets to just slow you down in your trading journey, which is something that you must be in a position to notice when that phase kicks in, and of course you have yourself under control. Losing streaks, remember, they are part of the journey, and this is what makes profitable traders from the non-profitable, because for the profitable, once you get to hit those losing streaks, you don't change your strategy. You just focus on the A plus setups, and of course you continue executing consistently as you did uh, before. So it's very important that you get to pay attention to that. And of course, the last stage is whereby is when the trading becomes boring. Now, at this stage, you have become conversant with the market. You have a good edge. You know what you need to do. You have, of course, an entry checklist. Now, all you just need to do is to sit and wait for the market to come to your way, form the setup that you have been looking for, and then from there you get to execute without hesitation. So at this point, these were hello.